is 9:19 and good morning, South Florida. Right now, your beach and boating forecast looks pretty amazing out there in Delray Beach. We do have a low risk of rip currents. High tide is happening right now. Low tide after 3 o'clock in the afternoon with those seas only building up to 2 feet across the Treasure Coast and the Palm Beaches. Here's a live look outside from Jensen Beach all the way down towards PBIA, even up towards Port St. Lucie. Good morning to you guys. A lot of sunshine out there, no rain right now from Sebastian all the way down towards Boca Raton. We're going to keep it dry until 11 and 12 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll see some pop-up showers. But currently we do have temperatures climbing into the 80s, a very warm start. 83 currently in Wellington, down into southern Palm Beach County, 84 in Delray, down into Boca Raton, the same thing, 82 in Palm Beach Gardens, and across the Treasure Coast, we have those temperatures in the lower 80s, Palm City 81, and feels like temperatures already in the low to mid 90s, 94 in Tropical Island, even down into Boca Raton. So it feels like temperatures will continue to climb into the upper 90s, close to the hundreds after 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're going to keep those rain chances in the forecast due to the winds off the ocean today. So we'll see a few coastal showers until 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Then all that rain will be pushing inland late in the afternoon into the evening hours. So here's the exact timing. 11:30 in the morning, we'll see a lot of sunshine out there, more clouds building in right along the highways, and we'll see some isolated showers out there and a few heavy rains as well, all tracking towards the west. So we'll see some inland thunderstorms popping in by 5, 6 o'clock and then all pushing inland towards the west coast of Florida. And then we'll see some lingering showers near Belle Glade and Pahokee after 7 and 8 o'clock tonight. As we head into your Thursday morning, we'll see some isolated showers out there, nothing too strong in the morning, but in the afternoon by 3, 4 o'clock, we'll see some heavy rains out there today and even tomorrow. So storm impacts for the next 48 hours will be localized flooding and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. Meanwhile, out in the tropics, we still have Invest 96L, a very disorganized area, has no threat to the United States, but it has a very low chance for tropical development, which is great news, and it will continue to track towards the north. Here's South Florida's most accurate 7-day forecast. We're keeping those rain chances near 30 to 40% for the next couple of days, and those hot temperatures in the 90s, even hotter next week on your Sunday into your Monday.